Okay, number 4 on the review. We need to get the absolute value by itself, so you have to add 9 to both sides first before you do anything. So after you add 9, you get the absolute value of x plus 3 is equal to 3. Now we take it out of the absolute value, put x plus 3 is equal to 3, or x plus 3 is equal to negative 3. We're going to solve each equation, and we get x is equal to 0, and x is equal to negative 6. Make sure you bring down the or. Okay, number 5. This is absolute value of 3x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 12. Remember, greater or is the word or, using the word or. So we take it out of the absolute value. 3x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 12. Make sure you write the word or. 3x plus 6. And when we go to put it to the negative 12, don't forget we have to flip the inequality and put it negative 12. We have two equations we're going to solve. So 3x is greater than or equal to 6. Divide by 3. So x is greater than or equal to 2. In the other equation, subtract 6. So that's 3x is less than or equal to negative 18. Divide by 3. And we get x is less than or equal to negative 6. Now make sure you bring down the or. And this is your final answer. Now to graph it, it's a closed circle at 2 and everything to the right of 2, which is greater than or equal to 2, and closed circle at negative 6 and everything to the left. Number 6, absolute value of 2c plus 3 is less than or equal to 11. Remember, less than is an and. There's two different methods you can do to solve for an and. I like to do the shortcut where I take everything out of the absolute value, put it in the middle, put less than and equal to on each side, put the negative 11 on the far left and a positive 11 on the far right. Subtract 3 on both sides. It's negative 14 is less than or equal to 2c is less than or equal to 8. Divide by 2. So that's negative 7 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 4. Draw your number line. Closed circle at negative 7, closed circle at positive 4, and everything in between. Number 7, it's an absolute value of 4x minus 2 minus 3 is greater than 7. Now remember, we have to get the absolute value by itself, so we're going to add 3 to both sides. Keep it in absolute value. That's absolute value of 4x minus 2 is greater than 10. Now we take it out of the absolute value. 4x minus 2 is greater than 10. Use the word or, because greater is or. 4x minus 2 is less than a negative 10. Add 2 to both sides. 4x is greater than 12. Divide by 4, so x is greater than 3. Over on the right, we're going to add 2, and we get 4x is less than negative 8. Divide by 4, and x is less than negative 2. That is your final answer. To graph it, open circle at negative 2 and everything to the left. open circle at 3, and everything to the right. Last one, we have to get the absolute value again by itself, so we're going to add 8 to both sides. So that's absolute value of 5x plus 1 is less than or equal to 24. Now, it's a less than, which is an and, so I'm going to take it out of the absolute value, put it in the middle, put less than signs on each side, negative 24 on the right, positive 24 on the far left. Excuse me, positive 24 on the right, negative 24 on the far left. Subtract. That's negative 25 is less than or equal to 5x is less than or equal to 23. Divide by 5. So that's negative 5 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 23 over 5. I've got to turn that into a mixed number, which is 4 3/5. Okay, drawing a number line.
Roxy.
Negative 5 is right here. 4 3/5 is about right there. You can label it. And everything in between. By the way, this problem is number 18 on your review. So if you are watching this, you can go and do your review. That concludes the review for Chapter 5.